Welcome to Community Day at Gainey's, where students compete, where ideas take shape, and where futures are built.
Every year we have a community day here at Gainey's. It's the last Friday in October and it is my favorite day of the year. It is so incredible. And what we're doing is just opening the minds to the young people that there's other careers that are other than doctors and lawyers, that they can really earn a living and also have a lot of fun. Not everyone is designed to be in an office environment.
And it's energizing for us to see kids that are excited to come and spend time with us here at Gainey's. And it's all part of a workforce development. It's good for them and it's good for us.
We have a day focused just on the community and showcasing manufacturing, showcasing precast concrete, words that they don't even know exist. It is an incredible opportunity. We have 350 kids here, and we're constantly looking to where we can grow it because while it's chaos, it's fun.
If you're good at math and science, we have a job for you here.
If you have an attention to detail, if you like creating things with your hands, if you like seeing a finished product, if you like feeling the reward of knowing that I contributed in some way to the environment, these are all careers that you can have, not jobs, careers that you can have.
If you're mechanical minded, we have some incredible machines here. We have a whole maintenance team. They're great mechanics.
Through the community day, not everyone's going to become our employee. It just presents a positive image and it opens that door of communication so that way 20 years down the road, and this does happen, they'll say, hey, I was at your plant for a plant tour and y'all were such great hosts and you made me feel so excited about the industry. There's only good that can come out of that.